Here are 10 things you realize when you get mature. Number 1. Gossip is boring, useless, and time wasting. Number 2. You don't find the phone call from your mom annoying because you care about her. Number 3. Talk less, listen more, and let other people shine. Number 4. It's okay if you don't know everything. Number 5. Speak up for yourself or people never know. Number 6. It is good to be serious sometimes. Number 7. Start to find any excuse and deal with the problem. Number 8. Time is precious. Say no to people who waste your time. Number 9. Love yourself more. Don't hurt yourself for someone else. Number 10. Cherish friends who are always there when you need them.